Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add captions to YouTube videos. First, open YouTube and click your channel. It is near the top of the left sidebar on the home page. And if you don't see it, click the three-line menu at the top left corner to expand the sidebar. And make sure you are signed in to your YouTube account if you are not already. Then, press Manage Videos. It is at the top of your channel's page, just beneath your profile picture. You can also access the video manager by clicking your account icon in the top right and navigating to YouTube Studio. And select a video. Choose the video to which you want to add subtitles. If you are uploading a video for the first time, you will already be in position to edit and manage that video. Then click Subtitles. Now, select a language. Use the drop-down menu to select the language you want for your subtitles. You can add additional subtitles tracks in other languages later. The first one, if you want to standardize your subtitles across all videos on your channel, check the box next to make this the default for my channel. And non-native speakers may find English language subtitles on English language videos helpful. So don't be discouraged from subtitling in the video's original language. If you already have a subtitle track, click Add Language before inserting another subtitle track. Then click the pencil icon on the subtitle track you want to edit. Then add your subtitles. Now, publish the video. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.